Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day, and thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I love when you guys leave a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. As you can see from the description, we have our November 2018 Lola Beauty Box. Now, I have been hearing some issues with Lola, and I paused it last month just because I really wasn't interested in the lip palette. So I, reactivated it this month. So like I said, I have the November box, but I'm really thinking I may not be keeping Lola, because of that, and it just seems like the last couple months the boxes haven't been as good as they were. For those of you that do not know, Lola is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You are supposed to receive 4 to 5 full-size items, so it is similar to BoxyCharm as far as what you receive in pricing, but the overall value of what you actually receive doesn't quite measure up to BoxyCharm for Lola. So let's open it up, see exactly what November is all about, and we will go from there. So I just cut the tape. So when we open it, this is what it looks like. And then this is their card for the month. So this is now, okay, we'll get to those in a minute. Looks like Beauty is Power is their November 2018 theme. And as always, on the back, we have the products and their pricing. So I am going to pause you guys for a second and pick up the 2 items that fell. All right, sorry about that. So this, make sure I kind of block it, is what it looks like. You know what? Down there. This is what it looks like when you open it. For those of you that could kind of see. So we are just going to go ahead. I'm going to grab this product that keeps trying to jump out of the box and start with this one. And this is from So Susan Cosmetics. It says Halo on High Luminizing Powder Cream. A soft focus luminous powder and cream hybrid highlighter with a light infusing radiant finish that transfers beautifully and effortlessly onto the skin. Experience its unique velvety texture powdered by skin awakening passion flower extract and copper peptides to lock in moisture and reduce the appearance of skin fatigue. It is vegan and cruelty free. It says to use your ring finger and glide the product onto cheekbones, down the nose, your cupid's bow, and along the brow bone. Use your angled brush to blend the formula and amplify its incandescent effect. Okay. And looks like the color is Candles and Kisses. Let me see if I can find on here and tell you how much it is. $25. Okay. Sorry, and this is the packaging, you guys. I'm so sorry. So let's take a look. And this is what it looks like when we take it out of the box. Oh, it does have a mirror. This is the color. It is a very pretty color. However, when thinking of highlighter, this really is a little dark. For me, anyway. For what I typically reach for when I want a highlighter. So I may be putting this in a giveaway. I'm not going to swatch it. So we're going to put this back in the box. And this may be going into a giveaway. In fact, it probably will. So next, let's see, what are you? This is from Bodyography Pro. Ready, Set, Go Makeup Setting Spray. And it is 1 fluid ounce. And this is $8.50. A weightless setting spray to lock makeup in place, control oil and shine, or refresh makeup throughout the day. Great for all skin types and in all climates. Can be applied before and after makeup application to prep and set. Okay, so it is a setting spray. Yeah, it's a setting spray. And let's see, the other product that kept wanting to jump out of my box. I recognize the logo. This is from Medusa's Makeup. For those of you that do not know, they do have their own subscription, and they are a vegan and cruelty-free indie brand, which is really awesome. So you can check them out at medusasmakeup.com. But this is the Medusa's Makeup lipstick in Rose. It's $12. This bright and beautiful lipstick is a luxurious blend of natural waxes, color-rich pigment, creamy, soft, and nourishing. So here is the packaging. So let's see. This is outside of the box. Okay. This bright and beautiful lipstick. So when you hear bright and the name is Rose, or it may actually even be Rosé, because on the box it has like a little fancy apostrophe above the E. I think of a red, maybe a pink. Y'all, what is this? This is like a light gray, almost with a hint of lavender. Definitely not what I think of when I think of the name Rose or even Rosé. So, and it's not a color that I would wear. It's a little out of my comfort zone. I typically go with my naturals, nudes, every now and then a pink or a red. So I was actually kind of excited, but that definitely is not my color. So one of you guys will end up with this, because I will put this into a giveaway as well. And let's move along. We do have a palette that is wet. What in the world? Okay, let's see here. This is the Crown Brush 10 Color Temptation Eyeshadow Collection. It's $29.95. Dreaming of recreating the gorgeous, warm, smoky eyes you see your favorite beauty influencers wearing all over Instagram? The 10 Color Temptation Eyeshadow Collection has the most popular and in-demand warm shades, making it easy to create your own. #glam. So let's... I don't know why I smelled it. Thankfully, I can see that the palette itself is in bubble wrap, so it should be fine, but there obviously is something that is all over and made the box wet. If I can get it out. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So here is the actual palette. It does have a good size mirror, and it is covered. Here are the colors. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes and 3 shimmers. So it definitely is a warm tone palette, and the colors are really pretty. However, I have quite a few palettes with very similar colors. So I am not going to swatch anything. I'm putting the plastic back over it. I'm going to close it, and I'm not putting it back in the box. However, I will put it back into the bubble wrap and put this into a giveaway as well. Probably going to keep adding all of this to the 1,500 subscriber giveaway that I will do once we reach 1,500 subscribers. So, there's that, and then our final items, which is what leaked. Are you serious right now? Oh, it literally just poured onto me. Are you for real? Okay. You can see right here. Right, where is it? Oh, it's all across actually, right here. Where it's open and the fluid is coming out. Okay. So we have 2 facial masks that are both, well, one is leaking. Both are ripped in the same general area here because it is literally leaking all over my hand. So we're just gonna put this in there. But both of them, the sheet mask is like torn in this general area, and that one particular one is leaking like crazy. So it is the Facial Tox, it says 2 facial mask. It says 24 gold peel off or diamond collagen. I'm assuming that is the diamond collagen. $26.66. The best diamond collagen facial mask in the market right now, with ingredients such as glycerin, shimmering powder, algae extract, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, hydrolyzed collagen, allantoin, arbutin, and water. This mask will leave your face perfectly hydrated and moisturized. Yeah. I know you guys have said in so many videos that my facial expressions give it away. I won't be using either of these masks because A, one of them has stuff leaking out. I mean, there goes the point, you know, the serum and stuff in it. I'm not going to use the second one either because it's torn, and for all I know, it could be leaking as well. And it's just, let me see if I can do this without it leaking everywhere. You see how big this package is? I mean, like, it's crazy. It ended up causing, because their box is smaller than this, it ended up causing the mask to rip, and it's got like a peel off a peel off foil backing that obviously right here you can see there's liquid on it. That should not have been folded. Make your box bigger this month, or don't use those masks. Send us smaller masks that fit in the box. So anyway, they'll both be going into the trash, unfortunately. Y'all know I love my sheet masks, so I would have loved to have tried them, but anyway. So that was the November Lola Beauty Box. 3 of the products I'm putting into a giveaway. I'm debating on putting the setting spray in there as well, just because I have my Tarte setting spray. So I'm going to put this into a giveaway as well. The lipstick, I don't know. The palette will definitely go into the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I don't know about the lipstick or the highlighter or this. I may put them, you know, in a Nipsey bag or into the 1,500. But we got to get to 1,500 first before I can run that giveaway. So share my videos, you guys. Tell your friends. Yeah, I'm kind of just, I don't know what else to say about this box. I definitely think that I will go ahead and cancel Lola. You know, I've had a couple of boxes that were amazing with them, but then this. So, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up and give them a try or check out their subscription. Hopefully it will improve. And yeah, it just has me kind of speechless about these masks. Just the size proportion to the box, and it just doesn't really make sense to me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a great day. I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.